In this video tutorial, we are going to build the chart that you see on your screen. This chart combines three math functions. What's interesting about it, however, is that it allows the user to interact with it in a variety of ways. By default, each chart in Java supports horizontal pan and zoom when the Control key is pressed. Our chart will also reset the zoom when the user presses R. In addition, it allows vertical pan when the user holds the Shift key. Instead of building the chart from scratch, we go to the samples page of the Java chart and download the normal distribution sample. This sample is close to what we want to see, so we will use it as a starting point. We extract the sample and open it with Eclipse as a project. We run it. It shows a chart with two graphs. Let's open the code and adjust it to fit our needs. First, we want the series to be a cubic function. We also have to change the axis settings. We make the x-axis span from -50 to 50 with interval of 10. The y-axis will be from 0 to 1000. The interval is 100. We change the grid type to be crossed. The title of the first function is cubic. The second function is a square equation. We will add a third function, the absolute value. We just copy the code for the second function and edit it. Let's run the sample. Here are our three functions. We can pan the chart with the mouse horizontally. However, we cannot move the chart vertically, which would be nice, because the cubic function goes below the x-axis. We can zoom, but we have no way to get to the initial chart. Let's change that. First, we will add a mouse listener. Its job is to make the chart grab the focus. Next, we will add a key listener. we will handle the key pressed event. In the event handler, we will get the plot of the chart and cast it to plot2D. Plot2D supports both horizontal and vertical scroll, and we set the scroll to be vertical. Of course, we do this when the Shift key is pressed. Then we will handle the key released event. In it, we check if the Shift key was released, and if yes, we disable vertical scroll. Now let's run the application and see what we've done. Here, our chart scrolls horizontally. Now, I press Shift and we can scroll vertically. Zoom also works. Let's reset the zoom now. We will edit the key pressed event and check if the R key is pressed. If yes, we will reset the zoom. Let's run the chart. Here it is. We zoom and zoom. We press R and the chart gets back to its original state. And that is all we wanted to do in this sample. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in MindFusion Developer Tools.